Now, we want you to take a look at the mess left behind in Robeson County.
The heavy rain has just swamped Lumberton, forcing hundreds to evacuate and putting many in harm's way. We sent CBS North Carolina's Derek Lewis that way when we heard about the rescues, and he joins us live. Derek.
Sharon, those rescues have been happening all day. Just to give you an idea of how much rain fell from Hurricane Matthew, take a look over here to my left. Water has gone up to the windows of some of these houses. So many people are out here trying to make sure that everyone else is safe, including the National Guard, U.S. Marshals, police officers, FEMA. People who live in this area say the aftermath of Hurricane Matthew was surreal.
When I woke up at 5 o'clock this morning, the water was up on my porch, coming in my door.
Many neighborhoods in Lumberton look like this one, with flood water everywhere. About 10 inches of rain fell in Robeson County from Hurricane Matthew. Water bypassing a levee brought life-threatening conditions to Lumberton. Rescue efforts by air and water are happening throughout the city. Joy Taylor walked through the water barefoot to get to safety.
I got 5 kids. I didn't know what to do. I was thinking, Lord, help us, just let us get out of here and make it safe, somewhere safe.
Hurricane Matthew has shut down roads, leaving some people stranded waiting for help.
I've never seen nothing like this. I really haven't. I'm devastated.
Never expected we would be in it.
Earl Anderson and his family paddled their way through the water from their house.
Never thought in my lifetime we'd ever have to use a boat. See it on TV and you never think it actually happened to you.
Now, many neighbors are left wondering what's next.
Where are we going to live? If we're going to have anything when everything is finished? We just don't know.
As of now, there are no reports of any deaths here in Lumberton. Neighbors are still being rescued. Coming up at 6, one neighbor explains why people are waiting to the last minute to get out. Live in Lumberton, I'm Derek Lewis, CBS North Carolina.